sync your lessons or appointments with Google Calendar, you have to log in. You may log in with your existing account, or you may create a new account by continuing with the Google or the Facebook previous account. Log in. Now I will go to the page Settings, Sync your calendar. Here is the button to start synchronizing the lessons with Google Calendar. We will click here. As you can see, we are here on the Google page, and we can see the client ID and the rest of the URL of the Google. Here is the name of your organization. So let's continue. Here are the scopes that we want to access. We want to read and write access both. We will allow it. Okay, we are back here. We have connected to the calendar successfully. Now we select a calendar that you have in your account. There are different calendars in this account, so we will select this one. Click save. You might see only one or two. It's up to your Google account. Let's open the calendar. As you can see, we have previously appointments here, so there is no appointment on December, so we will create an appointment with this tutor on December 1st, so that we could test how these appointments work. Let's log in with the test student account. Book. So let's go to December 1st, and we will go for 16. We have booked an appointment with that tutor, so I'm just gonna log out for this student user. And as you can see, we have our appointment here at 6 a.m. in tutor's time zone, and we have here the appointment added in the Google Calendar automatically at 6 a.m.